bana badito na jam. Venga muy tarde.
Tuwe, nagadonge. Tuwe, nekoko oria kioria. Oria. Oda diaga na ke atesera.
Ogotuna goko kana okunyana goko ndena mwana kioyo thiage ukamenya ti ndongi ni kwa mwenjoyo nie njitikaga Jabi Wajo
biwa wa boy mwana kio wa shushu mo boy wa baria thumbi ni rio riakwa tugagikurio twihokere ndagika 30 nigetha tukorwo twigutwarithia wega guku kwa mwenjoyo
na bio kiumia ni ndathirio hiki
haya
itura ritagwo Tharuni no riu uhiki ucio na ndiarire na thai tondu riu andu othe manjuragia we uthia kundu nduthia na bio mwanake wa cucu eko riu ubange thabari uthie Tharuni wonane na atumia acio kuu
yani Jabi no atumia theri maranjuragiriria
tuge ni taguo haikaire
gutire muiretu no muranjuririirie hatike na thina nego karugaga isavasi ndejira njukite kuno nginya tuthie na by the way ona ni nderirwo ngugeithie ni atumia akuma Muranga kundu gwitagwo Mukango na atumia angi agatundu na imwana jesi fulani we ya kundu gwitagwo Kiganjo mwena wa Thika
au ha jesi muno
reke tunyitane na thukuru wa muthingi wa St John's Bright Hope Academy aria maraturehera rwimbo rwa mahoya na by the way Jabi kwiragwo mahoya ni maingataga ndai muno ni mahoya ringi ahiko mundu murwaru ahoerwo ukora mundu ucio ni ahona ni kurania mahoya ni mari hinya wamo reke tunyitane na thukuru ucio maturehere rwimbo ruria ruratuhinyiriria tuthie na mbere na kuhoya tondu na mahoya ni marehaga thayu bururi-ini
Niguigwa mugambo kiuma na iguru nie niguigwa mugambo ukijita niguikuruka nyambate irima thie mwaragano njiketa uria kiugo kiranjira riu mbewitikio nguo ya mukristo mahoya namo ni irio cia ageni ibuku ria Ngai rimurikire nyone njira etire Samueli maita matatu nie niguigwa mugambo ukijita niguikuruka nyambate irima thie mwaragano njiketa uria kiugo kiranjira riu mbewitikio nguo ya mukristo mahoya namo ni irio cia ageni ibuku ria Ngai rimurikire nyone njira ngukaira Jehova Ngai riria ndi munyamaru Ngai wakwa riria ndi murwaru Ngai wakwa riria ndi na mathina maingi no nguririkana Ngai munyumbi na riria njiganire na maundu mathi ndigimuririkana Ngai wakwa alfajiri ya kupendeza ni siku njema siku yenye baraka jua limekwisha chomoza na amsha wote waliolala ndege na wanalialia kumshukuru Mungu njoni baba mama na watoto njoni nyote mbele za Bwana tumtolee shukrani zetu kwa kutoa sadaka ndege wanamshukuru Mungu kwa sauti za kupendeza na sisi tunamshukuru kwa zawadi alizotupa njoni alfajiri ya kupendeza ni siku njema siku yenye baraka jua limekwisha chomoza na amsha wote waliolala ndege na wanalialia kumshukuru Mungu njoni baba mama na watoto njoni nyote mbele za Bwana tumtolee shukrani zetu kwa kutoa sadaka nikatetemeka nchi yote makaburi yakafunguka mbingu likafunika nchi ikatetemeka na tazama kashuka Bwana falme wa mbingu na dunia mwenye fimbo mkononi mwake ishara yake ni kuchunga kondoo inuka ni umoja inuka ni upendo matunda ni amani inuka ni umoja inuka ni upendo matunda ni amani nipishe njia nipeni nafasi nimuonyeshe Mungu nilivyofurahi nitamwimbia ngoma nitacheza nimuonyeshe Mungu nilivyofurahi. Natamani kuruka nifike kule, nimuonyeshe Mungu nilivyofurahi. Nimweleze kwa kinywa changu mwenyewe kwamba nimefurahi kwa upendo wake Bwana. Nashukuru, nashukuru, nashukuru tu. Ninashukuru kwa kunipenda bila mwisho. Sina cha kusema, cha kusema, cha kusema tu. Ninashukuru kwa kunipenda bila mwisho. Thank you.
Mabura maya ma githurano kana hindi no tukwiriirie githurano kiria kinene muno bururi-ini, andu ni mekwenda guikara mendanite na maikare mena thayo, ni amu bururi-ini tungikara tutari na thayo, thayo ni utumaga kwage gukorwo kwina uthii wa na mbere bururi-ini. Ungigwa mundu akienda kwambiriria ngui kana ngahihari, wagirirwo kumuruta bata na wega wa thayo bururi-ini nigetha twita bururi wa Kenya tugathie na mbere. Elizabeth Mwaura kuma Nguriondito Primary School ena irebeta riu ria thayo.
Under the badge of Nguriondito, I, Elizabeth Wambui Mwaura, present my song of unity by Kihingi James. My voice I raise to the nation before we hold the elections. Peace and liberty be our shield and defender. May we dwell in unity in all divisions, forever and ever. In our country, let us be one. Your vote, your choice. You have a right to raise your voice. Make sure you make the right choice so that you can be secured for sure. Let peace and liberty be our shield and defender. Forever and ever, in our country, let us be one. I wish our heroes were here to listen to my message as I give it wings to fly. Our heroes, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, Raila Amolo Oginga Odinga. I wish you were here and not forgetting our Deputy President, William Samoei Ruto. I wish you too were here to listen to my message of unity. Let peace and liberty be our shield and defender. Forever and ever, in our country, let us be one. I can't forget the Kapenguria 6, Jomo Kenyatta, our first president of Kenya, Bildad Kagia, Paul Ngei, Fred Kumbai, Kungu Karumba, and not forgetting Ochieng Oneko. Hongera our heroes, you fought for our country Kenya. Let peace and liberty be our shield and defender. Forever and ever, in our country, let us be one. O God of all creation, bless this our land and nation. Justice be our shield and defender. May we dwell in unity, peace and liberty, plenty before within our borders. Let peace and unity be our shield and defender, forever and ever. In our country, let us be one.
Nireke nguire. Ndario mihango-ine yakwa ya gugietha wagatu. Ngiruta wira wa MC. Ngikira andu ta mutugo ageni aitu karibuni sana na muigue mwe mucie muno muigue muiganeire. No ngiona muthuri umwe agia na stress. Ngimuria niki baba. Akinjira ati waiga tuigue twi mucie. Ni ndaririkana gwakwa kuigua ndi mucie ngoragwo ngiamukirwo ni mutumia na haro. Kugu muthuri ucio ri na stress muno na nikio Cynthia Njeri aratureherire fetari igwitwo Speak Out. Rĩarĩrarĩrĩria ũhoro wa andũ arĩa makoragwo na ngũĩ mĩciĩ kũhũrwo kana mũthuri nĩahũrwo nĩ mũtumia, mũtumia nĩahũrwo nĩ mũthuri, ciana nĩ irahũrwo ihithĩtwo igacũnũragwo. Irebeta rĩraiga aria na andũ nĩmegũgũteithia ona angĩkorwo kaũndũ kangĩ kagĩkorwo gagĩkũgia. Aria na andũ nĩmegũgũteithia.
Cynthia Njeri presents Speaking Out. When will the cycle stop? And we can live in a world with no insanity of children growing up with beaten mothers being their normality.
At my crossroads, perturbed in this illusion, a figment of your imagination just turned into a nightmare. Go into your room. It never happened. Handled in my room, I could hear her heart-wrenching cries, her moaning and groaning. Unflinchingly, I watched my mother languish in captivity on the battlefield on a daily basis. Family meant inclusion, avoiding alien exclusion. I never told of how Daddy painted Mommy, how he beat her black and blue, how he gnawed her face into a death mask, how he robbed her of her dignity and individuality. I tried to switch off, block what was happening. It was impossible. Entangled in a web of discretion, my 8-year-old self, muzzled like a savage, puzzled. Why? Why? Couldn't she stand up for herself? Why couldn't she make a run for it? Why did she act as her own jailer? Mommy stayed for the kids. Stayed for the kids? She should have left for the kids. Didn't she know there was no enough therapy to undo the emotional and spiritual damage she subjected me to? I grew up with a deeply held conviction. The perpetrator has the right to beat, right to bet the woman. Might is right and the weak do the binding of the strong, right? And my childhood victimization made me a victim of violence. In attempt to escape my harsh realities, endless days of gloom and doom, I eloped with someone who made me feel loved. Little did I know, I eloped with a weak-minded alcoholic who only visualized me as one to quench his thirst. I endured the verbal attack, confinement, harassment, intimidation, humiliation, and accepted apology flowers to make up for it. Bleeding from the body, bleeding from the mind, dignity spilling from my veins. This needs to stop. If he wants to be in my life, he will have to straighten his act up. I have given him the benefit of doubt too long enough. I am walking out, never looking back. And now, I will set my eyes on heights you will find dazzling. Carve out a path you will find puzzling. Set my compass on a rare path and I won't veer. I'll be a pioneer. Trek where many will shake and shudder. I will be a warrior. I'll campaign vigorously against domestic violence. Speak out against victimization. Passionately lobby as a feminist. For this domain of the unspeakable needs to be catapulted into limelight. Always settle for the best. Never underestimate your worth and settle for an abusive relationship. You deserve someone who can speak life into you, shower you with loyalty and consistency, and so much more. Though depressed to your lowest ground, let your spirit not be bound. You should stand firm on your ground, stand up for yourself. And most importantly, if you are a victim, speak out.